Hello everyone. Start off by taking some fruit foam net, cut it into half, roll it over as such, and then begin to make cuts on one end of it. Now afterwards, take another piece of the fruit foam net, very narrowly fold it over as such, make multiple of these and roll it over. Now add this maze to the top of it and there you have it. Next, we'll start off by taking multiple straws. Take these and then begin to make this frame out of it to begin with. Make two of them and then join them together using a rubber band. After you've tied both of them together as such, then spread it out. Add a center connector to this. Next, take another piece, wrap a green sheet of paper around it, add it to the top. Now take another straw, take two of them, add them on either side as such, make multiple cuts out of it and stick it all together using a hot glue gun. Add these heart-like shapes at the end of each of these sticks that you've added. Put a straw through it in order to make it stand. Now move it around as you please. In order to make this start off by taking the square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally once to begin with. Now fold over either side to make it meet in the center. Fold over the bottom upwards as such, and then afterwards fold it over once more. Do this another time, reverse the side, lift both of the sides upwards as such. Now fold over either of the other sides as well, and then afterwards lift it up, that is lift the bottom portion of it up. After this, add some glue to it at the base. Once you've added the glue, fold this upwards and then set it aside. Make about 4 of these, and then afterwards add some glue within each of them in order to make each of the spots stick, and then insert one into the other as such. Insert the protruding edges of it outward and then stick each of these spots together. Now you have yourself your star. Next, in order to make this different kind of star, we'll start off by taking the square sheet of paper, fold it over vertically to begin with, fold in both of the bottom edges to make this arrowhead-like shape out of it. Make a diagonal fold at the top and once more make it an internal fold. Make multiple of these and then begin to insert one into the other. As you can see, we have switched between two colors, a light blue and a light green. Continue doing so and make this entire circle out of it. Now make an inner circle by pressing it together as such, and then if you press it outwards, then it makes a circle with a hollow. Next, we'll start off by taking this marker and then make the circular shape at the top and the bottom and then join the center of it, make it elongated as such using 2 long lines. At the top, add these ear-like shapes to it, add eyes in the front, take the bottom, fold it upwards, fold it back down. Add a mouth to it along with a little nose and now add tiger designs all over the face. Open it out and then afterwards add teeth to it, add the rest of the mouth, that is the details of it as well. Now once you open and close it, this is what it should look like. Add a little handle at the back to move it. Next, in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a straw and then afterwards take the bendable portion of it, spread it out, make a slit at the base to begin with and then cut out this entire diagonal slit at the top of it once you reach it. Make a small slit at the top as well and now begin to make these multiple half slits in the bendable portion of it. Do this throughout and then make a vertical slit through it so that it stands out and such and looks like multiple legs. Do this all throughout as far as possible, try to make it alternative. Now after this, add another wire inside and then as you pull it in and out, this is what it should look like. Add polka dots all around the body. Next, take a green sheet of paper, cut it out like a leaf, fold it over multiple times and add the two together. Next, start off by taking a cup, cut out the base of it as such. Add tape to the top of this. Afterwards, draw on a cloud-like shape and then add light underneath it in order to make different patterns on it. Next, we'll start off by taking this cup, make multiple holes in it as such. Do this all throughout, add the thread at the base with this little disco ball to it, add tape to the top of it. Now after this, add a little writing sign at the bottom, add a light within it. Thank you for watching.